You want to kick my ass? Okay, well, let's go. Go ahead. Bring it. No. This is for our safety. This is for your safety, bro. This is for your life, not mine. I ain't scared of you.
Let's just do it man to man. Put the camera down.
This has no, but there's no. I'm not going to be a punk looking for trouble like you. I just kick you. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
You came up to me and bothered me.
Because you're on private property that I'm affiliated with.
You're not affiliated.
Yes, I am. You don't know me. You don't know who I am or what I'm about, but you're about to find out, man. You need to get on.
Pussy ass bitch needs to mind his own fucking business.
No, I don't, because it's private property. If you want me not to mind your business, take your business somewhere else. Take your business somewhere else if you don't want it minded.
No.
Do you hear me?
More sex.
Get out of here. Take your fucking business somewhere else. You too.
No more sex.
Fuck your sex. Take your drugs and your bullshit attitude and your sex and your girl, get the fuck out of here. No, you're doing drugs in front of a church with people walking by, kids and shit. Yes, you were. I have you on video. I have you on video, dude.
Oh, no, you have no right to do that.
Yes, I do. It's America. It's a free country called the Constitution, and you're so high you forgot where you're at. I thought you knew this in your neighborhood. This is America. It's a free country except for private property. That's a church. You're gonna free kick my ass? Make more threats. Are you gonna kill me too? You gonna kill me too? I'm right here whenever you want to do it, bro. You're gonna die first. Keep fucking around, find out. No, bro. Hey, no. Crazy, bro. Hey, that guy is drugged up, dude, and violent, man. He is out of his mind, dude. You do not want him on your bus.
We will see.
He's been up and down this street beating on women, bro. Well, I'm serious.
Thank you for that, though.
It's on y'all now.
All right.